Alright, for this question, it asks you to find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface at the given point. So you should remember the tangent plane. The equation for the tangent plane should be x minus x naught plus b y minus y naught plus c z minus z naught. So now your equation is as shown as z equal to x squared minus 2y xy plus y squared. Now you're going to bring the z over to this side, and then you will get capital of xy f xy x squared minus 2xy plus y squared minus z. Now a will be the partial respect to x, b will be the partial respect to y, and then c will be partial respect to z. So now you're going to find the partial of x, partial of y, and partial of z. So partial of x, you will get 2x minus 2y. Partial of y will be negative 2x plus 2y. Partial of z will be negative 1. So now you have your partial derivatives. You're going to plug in f respect to x 149. You're going to plug in the number at 0.149. So you're going to have 2 multiplied for 1 minus 2 multiplied for 4. You will get 2 minus 8 equal negative 6. Same thing for y. At 0.149, you will get negative 2 multiplied for 1 plus 2 multiply 4 equal negative 2 plus 8. You will get 6. And then f of z at 149 will just be negative 1. So now you have everything. You can plug into your original equation. So your a, b, and c will be negative 6, 6, and negative 1. Now you can plug that into the equation. So you have negative 6, x minus x naught, which is 1, minus or plus 6, y minus 4, minus 1, z minus 9.